Meaning of intuition.
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 Intuition. Intuition refers to the ability to understand or know something immediately based on feelings rather than conscious reasoning. It is a kind of insight that arises spontaneously without any apparent logical process, and it is often described as a gut feeling or a hunch. Intuition can be seen as a form of unconscious knowledge or perception, and it is believed to be influenced by factors such as experience, emotion, and instinct. Intuition can be a valuable tool in decision-making, problem-solving, and creativity, but it is also important to balance it with conscious reasoning and critical thinking.